Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Essay Composer tool to create well-researched, professionally structured essays in just a few minutes. Step 1. Topic selection. Let's start by entering our essay topic. You can type your own topic or choose from the suggestions below. Once you've entered your topic, just click Next to continue. Step 2. Context. In this step, provide additional context for your essay by adding specific instructions, focusing on certain aspects or viewpoints. You can upload reference documents by dragging and dropping files here, which the AI will analyze for relevant information. Images can also be uploaded if needed. Step 3. Essay length. Now let's set how long we want our essay to be. Simply drag this slider to select your desired word count. Step 4. Essay type. Here, we'll select what type of essay we want. Each type is designed for different purposes. I'll select argumentative since we're discussing AI in healthcare. Step 5. Writing style. Now we'll choose our writing style. You can select academic, professional, creative, or even a custom style where you provide your own writing sample. Step 6. Reference style. Here, select your preferred citation style. If your citation style is not listed here, you can provide a link to the reference style guide you want used. Step 7. Essay structure. The tool now generates a detailed outline for your essay. You can see the main sections and subsections here. If you want to rearrange sections, simply drag and drop them. You can also edit any section by clicking on it. Once you're happy with the structure, click Generate Essay to create your complete essay. Step 8. Generation and results. Now the tool is researching your topic and writing your essay. You can see the progress here, along with a detailed log of what's happening. Once complete, your essay appears with proper formatting, citations, and references. Notice the AI score indicator here, which shows how likely the essay is to be detected as AI generated. To see all the research sources used, click View Research Sources. Your essays are saved in the History tab, so you can always come back to them later. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a well-researched, properly structured essay that's ready for your personal touches. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!